Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best paver brush is probably one of the most underrated yet essential tools for any homeowner or landscaping enthusiast looking to maintain the pristine appearance of their outdoor spaces, especially those with paver patios, walkways, or driveways, as it offers a specialized and effective solution for tackling stubborn dirt, weeds, moss, and debris that accumulate over time, ensuring your hardscapes remain not only visually appealing but also safe and functional for years to come. Number 5. Yocada 55.9-inch Telescopic Floor Scrub Brush. Introducing the Yocada Floor Scrub Brush, your ultimate cleaning companion. This innovative tool combines scrubbing and scraping for a powerful clean on any surface. Tackle tough grime with its unique 2-in-1 design. The stiff bristles easily lift dirt, while the scraper removes stubborn stains and excess water. Cleaning just got easier thanks to its ergonomic design. The angled brush head requires less effort, making your housework simple and convenient. No more bending. The adjustable telescopic handle extends up to 55.9 inches, allowing you to clean comfortably without straining your back. Built to last, its sturdy PP bristles are perfect for deep cleaning. This durable brush head effectively tackles even the most stubborn stains. From bathrooms and kitchens to patios and garages, this brush is your go-to solution. It works wonders on tile, hardwood, glass, and cement floors. What we like. This brush offers a unique 2-in-1 design, combining scraping and brushing for maximum cleaning power. Its adjustable telescopic handle means no more bending, making it ideal for those with back issues or who prefer a more comfortable cleaning experience. If you're looking for a versatile tool that tackles stubborn grime and saves your back, this is the one for you. What people say. This paver brush is very effective at removing weeds and moss from between pavers. The stiff bristles on this brush are great for scrubbing tough dirt and grime. It's designed with an extendable handle, making it easy to reach difficult areas without bending over. Number 4. Ultra Stiff Drill-Powered Cleaning Brush Set. Tackle tough grime and rust with this ultra-stiff spinning cleaning brush set. Aggressively remove loose paint, rust, and stubborn stains on various surfaces. It's a safer alternative to wire brushes. Easily attach these to any power drill for seamless electric scrubbing. They are great for cleaning stone, brick, and other tough surfaces. These will quickly become your most used cleaning brushes. Perfect for a variety of tasks, including grill cleaning, stainless steel scrubbing, and graffiti removal. Use them for any harsh scrubbing applications and see the Power Scrub brush make quick work of the mess. Take the hard work out of household cleaning tasks with these spin brush drill attachments. The super stiff and aggressive nylon bristles are perfect for stain removal on concrete, brick, or stone. The large diameter brush is especially useful for larger descaling projects. All our products come with a 90-day no questions asked return window. If you are not completely satisfied, we will issue a refund or ship out a replacement. What we like. This set is all about power and efficiency, designed to be attached to your cordless drill for an effortless clean. Its ultra-stiff bristles are perfect for heavy-duty tasks like stripping paint or removing rust from tough surfaces like concrete and metal. If you have large, stubborn messes and want to cut your cleaning time significantly, this is the tool that will make quick work of it. What people say. It is a good brush for cleaning pavers. The brush is durable and effective for removing weeds and dirt from between pavers. The bristles are stiff enough to get into the cracks but not so stiff that they damage the pavers. Number 3. 3-in-1 Long Handle Floor Scrub Brush. Introducing our revolutionary floor scrub brush, a true game changer for your cleaning routine. It combines a dual-sided brush and a built-in scraper to effortlessly tackle stubborn stains and dirty water, making tough grime a thing of the past. Cleaning every nook and cranny is now a breeze thanks to its 360-degree rotating head. This ergonomic design ensures comfortable use, allowing you to easily clean bathroom walls and hard-to-reach corners. Say goodbye to backaches. Our floor brush features an adjustable, extendable handle that can be customized to your preferred height. Clean floors comfortably and efficiently without bending or straining. Built to last, this cleaning tool is crafted with high-quality bristles and a durable construction. The stiff bristles effortlessly remove stubborn stains, while the integrated squeegee clears away dirty water effectively. This long-handled brush is your ultimate multi-purpose cleaning companion. Perfect for both dry sweeping and wet mopping, it's ideal for a wide range of surfaces and areas, from bathrooms and kitchens to patios and garages, ensuring a spotless clean everywhere. What we like. This brush stands out with its innovative 3-in-1 design, featuring a dual-sided brush and a built-in scraper for comprehensive cleaning. The 360-degree rotating head ensures you can reach every corner with ease, making it perfect for detailed cleaning in bathrooms and showers. If you appreciate maneuverability and a tool that can handle multiple cleaning functions in one, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Really like the rotation of the brush head, very help into accessing angled areas that need scrubbing. The bristles of brush, one side is stiff bristles and the other set of bristles are softer. The squeegee works great to remove excess water. Number 2. Yocada 18-inch heavy-duty outdoor push broom. Introducing the Yocada 18-inch heavy-duty push broom, designed for tough outdoor cleaning tasks. Its durable construction ensures it can handle any mess. With an 18-inch wide sweep, this broom covers large areas quickly. Its ergonomic design means you can clean comfortably without bending over. The adjustable iron pole extends from 50.8 to 65.3 inches, allowing you to find the perfect height. Say goodbye to back strain during cleaning. Engineered with special technology for enhanced durability, this broom head is built to outperform ordinary brooms. It's ideal for patios, garages, and industrial spaces. Featuring stiff, hard bristles, it effectively tackles dirt and debris on concrete, wood, stone, and tile. The protective jacket on the handle ensures a comfortable grip. This broom is perfect for a variety of surfaces, including patios, sidewalks, driveways, workshops, and garages. It makes cleaning simple and convenient. What we like. This push broom is designed for efficiency, boasting an 18-inch wide head that covers a large area in a single pass. Its adjustable pole length ensures comfortable use for various heights, preventing back strain. If you need to clean large outdoor areas like patios, garages, or driveways quickly and effectively, this durable, wide-coverage broom is your best bet. What people say. It works great for cleaning the pavers. The brush is very sturdy and effective at removing dirt and grime. It made cleaning my patio so much easier. Number 1. ProTuff 22 Pool Brush Head. Tackle dirt, algae, and debris with ease. Its sturdy bristles and durable design ensure a thorough scrub for all pool surfaces, making it ideal for any pool. Maximize your cleaning efficiency with this 22-inch scrubber that covers more surface area in fewer passes. Crafted for strength, it resists bending and warping for lasting durability. The stiff bristles dig deep to eliminate even the toughest algae and grime. It's the ultimate tool for keeping your pool pristine. Designed to fit most standard poles, this brush glides smoothly over any pool surface. Its strong yet lightweight frame ensures seamless handling for quick and efficient cleaning. Engineered with premium materials to withstand harsh chemicals and constant use. It's backed by a lifetime warranty, guaranteeing durability and performance with every clean. What we like. This brush is specifically engineered for pool cleaning, featuring an extra-wide 22-inch head to cover more surface area and clean 3 times faster. Its sturdy bristles are tough on algae and grime, keeping your pool pristine. If you're a pool owner looking for a durable, efficient, and long-lasting solution to maintain a sparkling clean pool, this is the ultimate tool, backed by a lifetime warranty. What people say. The brush is very sturdy and has a good weight to it. It effectively removes weeds and moss from between pavers. The handle is comfortable to grip and provides good leverage. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.